Hi, boys and girls. It's Mrs. Stewart again with
Allie.
and we are going to be making some more number bonds today. So when we get our number bonds, the first thing we're going to do is put our name at the top so our teacher knows who our paper belongs to. And then this is really, really easy. It may look like a lot, but since we already know about number bonds and fact families, you really don't even need my help because you can just fill in the answers. You don't have to find any of the missing parts. So when I look at a number bond, the biggest number is by itself, and then the two smaller parts make up the parts. So I know that on my addition problem, my biggest number is going to come after the equal sign. So my first problem is going to be 2 plus 1 equals 3. Then I'm just going to do a flip-flop. Allie, do you know how to do the flip-flop on this one?
Do it again?
Yep, except I changed the number. So I do 1 plus 2 equals
3.
Yep. So those are my two addition problems. Now, when I make a subtraction problem, my whole is going to come first because on subtraction problems, the wholes always come first. So my first one is going to be 3 minus 2 equals
3.
Nope,
Wait.
1.
What?
Yep, that's okay. And then I'm going to do it again, except I'm just going to flip the numbers. So 3 minus 1 equals
2.
Yep, good job. Okay, so now our second number bond, the whole is
5.
and the parts are 3 and
2.
Okay, so let's make an addition problem. 3 plus 2 equals 5. So then I'm going to flip it. 2 plus 3 equals 5. Now I'm going to write my subtraction problem. So what number is going to come first, Allie?
5.
Yep, because it's the biggest one. Then I'm just going to fill in the parts. 2 minus 3, 3 and 2. Okay, we have 2 more. I'm going to do one more with you, and then I want you to practice the last one on your own. So on number 3, my whole is
7.
and my parts are
5 and 2.
Okay, so let's make an addition problem. 5 plus 2 equals 7. And then I'm going to flip it, and I'm going to do 2 plus 5 equals
7.
Yep. Now I'm doing the opposite, so my big number has to come first. So I'm going to put 7 minus 5 equals 2. And then I'm going to put the 7 in first again, but I'm going to switch the 5 and the 2. So 2 equals 5. Okay. Now, boys and girls, I want you to try number 4 on your own. So what you're going to do is you're going to push pause and try it, and then you're going to push play and check it. If you don't try it on your own, then you're not going to have practice on your own, which means you're not going to get better at it. So you have to make the decision that you're going to be trying it on your own. So go ahead and push pause, and when you're finished, push play. All right, boys and girls, double check with mine and make sure that you've got the numbers in the right place. And then we're going to turn it over, and on the back, we're going to practice our plus 5s. So these practice pages are the same as they always are. All you have to do is find the answers at the top, and then you match it to the bottom. And then the top always has a strategy. So 0 plus 5 is 5. 1 plus 5 is 6. 2 plus 5 is 7. Then we just keep going. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, and 17. So these are getting into pretty big numbers, but you guys know what to do. You're super smart. Then at the bottom, all I want you to do is practice your equations so you can find the answer at the top and just write the answer. When you're finished, turn it into the basket and start on your dream box.